Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have been receiving a lot of questions from you guys asking about the E30 build and what's happening on that one. So I just thought it fit to actually update you guys as I'm driving right now. I'm actually driving to go get the fog lights and just don't recall. Anyway, yesterday I got the headlights and the grills, so we're just working on making that front clean, and basically the front is going to be new. So with that said, it has been a very long journey, this E30 build, but what stood out for me, I think I was just thinking about it the other day, is that normally the parts that you get for E30s are from these car spares shop, right? Just the other day, actually the headlights, I called the day before asking for if they had stock of the headlights, because those are also just very hard to come by and a bit expensive. So fortunately enough, the spare shop had the headlights, gave me the price. Following day I go there and I tell them who I spoke to, looking for the headlights. Story of my life. Now price has changed, and did I not blow a head gasket? I'm telling you. So it's something that has been happening over and over again. I'm not sure what's happening with these people, and it's not the way I think we should be running business, right? But I guess that's just how they get an extra buck. But one thing for sure I can tell you is that if that's how you're running your business, then definitely word does get out there, and we talk as people, right? And yeah, anyway, enough of that ranting. So the E30 was sprayed, received a spray job last week. We left it for some time just to let the paint cure. I'm loving how it's coming out. Really, Ritesh has done an amazing job on the, actually more than what I was expecting. So I'm really happy with his workmanship, and also just spending time with him, and he's got a lot to say, some wise words there. So with that said, right now going to get the fog lights and the prestige panel. Should see the front complete, and just some other minor stuff to be put together. But basically the car is done. It's all about putting everything back together. And yeah, really appreciate you guys following and being part of the journey. I've enjoyed the journey, and if I was to be asked if I'd do it again, I'd definitely do it again, because this for me was, I wouldn't spend my time doing anything else, but just, I think I'm really looking forward to the day I actually get to drive the car for the first time. It's gonna be a very significant day for me, because I mean, what haven't we done to the car, as you have seen? If not, then follow the E30 build on Instagram. Page is fire_E30. So that's where I've been posting a lot of the behind the scenes stuff. So yeah, with that said, we are on our way. Actually, hey, I'm actually going to get the fog lights, prestige panel, and a brand new windscreen. So that front, we are trying to just get it as new as possible, because actually there wasn't a front in that car when I picked it up. If you recall, if you go back to some of my videos, you will see that that car actually came with no front. So the lights were on the sides, but the lights were on the side, but they were very old. So it's